Unpacking Idioms. Understanding, sweet on. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we've got a really interesting topic to discuss. The phrase, sweet on. This is an idiom in English that might sound a bit confusing at first, but don't worry. By the end of this video, you'll have a good grasp of what it means and how to use it. So, if you're ready to dive in, let's get started. Sweat on is a colloquial expression used to describe a person's affection or romantic interest in someone else. When we say that someone is sweet on another person, we are essentially saying that they have a soft spot for them or that they are fond of them in a romantic way. It's important to note that this phrase is quite gentle and lighthearted, and it's often used to describe the beginning stages of a romantic interest, where the feelings might not be very intense yet. Now that we understand what sweet on means, let's look at some examples to see how it can be used in sentences. 1. I think John is sweet on Mary. He always gets nervous around her. 2. In this example, John has a romantic interest in Mary, which is why he gets nervous in her presence. 3. My grandma was telling me about how my grandpa was sweet on her when they first met. 4. Here, the speaker's grandma is reminiscing about the early stages of her romantic relationship with her husband. 5. Are you sweet on anyone these days, or are you enjoying being single? 6. In this case, the speaker is asking if the other person is currently interested in someone romantically. Understanding synonyms and related phrases can help expand your vocabulary and give you more options when expressing yourself. Here are some alternatives to sweet on. 1. Fond of. This is a broader term that can describe affectionate feelings towards friends, family, or romantic interests. 2. Infatuated with. This term describes a more intense, sometimes short-lived, passion or admiration for someone. 3. Crushing on. This is a more informal way to describe having a romantic interest in someone, usually in a light and playful manner. And that's a wrap on sweet on. We hope this video has helped clarify what this charming phrase means and how you can use it in your daily conversations. Remember, language is all about expressing yourself, and understanding idioms like this one can add a lot of flair and personality to your English. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content like this. Until next time, happy learning!